The Sukhoi Su-57 is a Russian-made fifth-generation multirole fighter jet designed to destroy all types of air, ground, and sea targets. The Su-57 fighter jet features stealth technology with extensive use of composite materials capable of reaching supersonic cruising speeds. The fifth-generation Su-57 fighter is designed to destroy all types of ground, air and surface targets. The aircraft comes complete with radar-absorbing coating and intra-body arms compartments. The first aircraft of the series was handed over to the Russian Aerospace Forces in December 2020. The Su-57 is intended to succeed the MiG-29 and Su-27 in the Russian military aviation arms and form the basis for a family of stealth combat aircraft that would replace those of earlier generations. One of the newest and deadliest features of the Sukhoi Su-57 is the ability to carry 4 new heavy attack drones of the Okhotnik type. Later, Su-57 pilots could operate 4 drones at once, simultaneously, an industry source said. The newest Okhotnik drones will strike both air and ground targets in a network-centric interaction with the Su-57 fighter. In their joint work with fifth-generation fighter aircraft, the Okhotnik drones will handle a wide range of tasks, striking both air and ground targets under the command of Sukhoi Su-57 pilots. The fighter jet is also equipped with the most advanced onboard radio-electronic equipment, including a powerful onboard computer, the so-called electronic second pilot, a radar system spread throughout its body, and several other innovations, in particular the armaments housed in its fuselage. The fighter is expected to have a service life of up to 35 years forward.